Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, December the 10th, we have only one Sudoku, a beautiful medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here an 8 in this column, an 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for an 8 is here, here, or there. I see here already an 8, so no 8 there. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. 6 in the second row, 6 in the third row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 must be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here already a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here already a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here already a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for a 6 is here, here or there. But I see here already a 6, so no 6 there. I see here a 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 5 in this row, a 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. I see here 9 and a 2. So the 9 and the 2 cannot be in these 2 boxes. So the 9 and the 2 must be here or there. I do not know which number it is, but it's a pair, 9 and a 2 here. That means these 2 numbers must be 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4, 9 and a 2. 1 and a 4, I see here a 1. So no 1 there, 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 8 and 7, I see here 7. So no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here already an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So in that row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Alright. Yes. I see here a 1 in the first column, a 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 is here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 is here. Then this, two missing numbers in the first column. The numbers are 5 and 3. 5 and 3 in the first column are missing. I see here a 5, so no 5 there. 5 must be there, and the 3 goes here. Then two missing numbers in the third column. The numbers are 4 and 2, I believe. Yes, 4 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. I need more information. Here, the two missing numbers of this big square are the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 must be here, and the 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 must be here, and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 must be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for 5 is here or there. I see here already a 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. One missing number in this column is number 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for 5 is here or there, but I see here already a 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only two places for 5 is here or there, but I see here already a 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then two missing numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 2. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 and two missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 3 and 4. I see here a 3, so no 3 there. 3 must be here, and the 4 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 2 goes here. Then we go to these two numbers for this column for the number 7 and 2. 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Hey, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Same like here. 7 and 2. 7 and 2. These two numbers for the second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 are missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. These two are 2 and 4. Still cannot fill this yet. 2 and 4 here. 2 and 7. No. 9 and 4. Why can I? The 1. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here, or there. I see here already 1, no 1 there. I see there 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 must be here. Now we have 2 missing numbers of this last column for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this row. The third row is for the number 9. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there, but I see here already a 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there. I see here already a 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 2. 1 missing number in this row for the number 7. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 2. 7 and 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and a 7 goes there. 1 missing number in the middle row for the number 7. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 2. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 7 goes here. We have finished this in 14 minutes. Alright, people, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel. Anyway, have fun with this Sudoku Medium, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.